Well, hello there, teachers, homeschooling parents. Here is another Google Slides for you. This is so highly requested. It's just taking a journey of its own. So today's Google Slide is build a rainbow. So apparently the teachers and the homeschooling parents really love these build a something, a noun, animal, insect Google Slides that I'm creating. Again, just to remind you, I try to keep everything in the same process so that the kids will be able to automatically know how to do this Google Slides, and you don't have to keep re-explaining everything. But yeah, we've been learning about rainbows. We've already learned about rainbows, so this could be like a little review or something fun for the kids to do. Or if you have not learned about rainbows yet or taught rainbows, this is also something that you can incorporate into your lesson. Okay, let's get started. Same type of format when it comes to the title, same format when it comes to the directions, so that the kids are familiar with this type of build Google Slides. That way you don't have to keep explaining it over and over again, as I mentioned before. And then they get to the fun part of building out their rainbows. So the bands are already measured, so all they have to do is, I'm not going to actually put it in order of the color, but they fit inside of each other. Each color band fits underneath and inside of each other, and that's how they would build and slide over this rainbow. The next one is kind of fun because they need to put the flamingos in rainbow order. So they would start with red, and they are all measured at the same height. Oop, that was yellow, it's supposed to be red. Start with red, orange, of course, and so on. Okay, so that would be in rainbow order. You have green, blue, purple, and then I put a couple of elements for the setting in there that they can incorporate around their flamingos. And this tutorial also has a write and share where they can write about their rainbow, and they can also write about their flamingos. So I actually put 2 writing assignments in here where they can practice their writing. I no longer say write 1 sentence, because at this point they should be writing multiple sentences, whether they are in kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, and so on. They should be writing multiple sentences. So this is just a little area. If they're in like 3rd grade, they should be typing, so they can type out at least a couple of paragraphs and give their opinion at the end. Okay, they can also download it and write it by hand, or they can download it, have this like as a precursor to their writing, and write the rest on a piece of paper. And then we have the answer key for the rainbow, and we have the answer key for the flamingos. And finally, enjoy. And just a gentle and humble reminder that this is for your classes, and for you to engage and make learning fun for your students online, and it's not for reselling purposes, copyright reasons. So please enjoy this Google Slide. I have another Google Slide about butterflies as well that you can enjoy. Please like, share, and until next time, happy learning. Goodbye.